Savoy na kami. I'm eating there. Yung pastry na they provided. It's a small room lang po. Oh, wait lang. There's a bed. There's a couch. Apat na lang. I don't have storage na. So, if ever pakat-cut yung video, that's the reason. My tita is buying dinner. I have takeout. So, nagagutom na ako. Kasi, nag-swimming camp ako. Tumama lang yung tita ko. So, I have mac and cheese from Wildflower. I'm just gonna eat this while reading my book. Button yung book. It's The Honey and Spice. Hindi ko mahinaan yung TV kasi I think it's broken. We think it's broken kasi tapos kami ng hotel room kanina, naka-open siya. Pagbalik namin, nakapatay. Which is, does that make sense or ba? Get it? Kasi pagpasok namin ulit, nakapatay siya. So, ayun. I'll see y'all tomorrow kasi I'm gonna bake a cake for a friend. I'll see y'all tomorrow because I'm gonna bake a cake tomorrow morning for a friend. Umuwi ako ng around 1. Tapos, naglinis lang ako ng kwarto. The year-end cleaning, gano'n. Kasi not every year, pero yung general, no, like the whole room. As in, kahit itong table na to, lahat, nilinis ko, including my cabinet and stuff. So, ayun. 2 hours ako naglilinis. So, I'm just gonna bed rot. This rim, by the way. Anak ko. Yo, what's up, my what's up? Sabi ko sa'yo, oo nga! Pre! Girl! Hindi! Sabi ko kasi, wait lang. Parang magpunta. Hindi ko yung makeup ako. Ako yung may mukhang sa akin. Nang ba? Kanin? Asan na wala si Kuya Christian? It was like rehearsals, then like yung community show. Also, don't have storage na. And di pa ako kumakain. Wait lang. So while I'm getting unready, pakanta ko. I'll just run. Then, ito na lang lalagay ko. Kasi, may mga na-film ako actually. Pero I had to delete it. Kasi I had to film Rico like blanco. Pinansin niya ako. I'm gonna show that clip here. Okay na. Pinansin niya ako. Kasi, basta, the context behind it, it was like, sabi niya, pag sabi ko, kita one, ganyan, tumalon kaya, talon lahat. And hindi ako tumatalon kasi I wanted to take a video. Kasi ako lang yung nagbe-video sa amin ng friends ko. Because they don't have any phone. And ako lang talaga yung nagbe-video. So, parang lahat sila tumatalon. And then, ako lang yung hindi. Kasi, syempre pag tumatalon ka, ang pangit ng kuha ng video. So, ako lang yung hindi tumatalon. And then, yung nasa harap din kasi kami. Nag-talk me. Tapos, jump. Sabi ko, Oh my God, ako pala yun. Akala ko ibang tao. Tapos, nakatingin. Lord, thank God I'm legal. Hi, Rico Blanco. Ay, banta sa pangarap na matangkad si Rico Blanco. Nung napansin niya ako, parang ako nag-factory reset kasi you all know I'm gay. Ang isa, yung guitarist ng Over October, yung long hair. The long hair one. Gwapo niya! He's exactly my type. I'm sorry, but he's exactly my type. I'm a be a simp for that guy. For them. Oh my God, I still can't get over that. Both, actually, I can get over both. The Over October and Rico Blanco. Oh my God! And actually, yung lead singer ng Over October, kaso, he's not really that my type. Basta, he looks cute though. Y'all know I had to change the position of the camera. I see you Creative like Festival. Boyfriend at the subs, Christian. Thank you, Christian. Thank you for inviting me. I had so much fun. It was like a family day. You were so cute. Yung anak nilang emo. I had so much fun. Especially now that I have a new crush. Kailan kaya magka-concert ulit Over October? Bro, you know, it's possible. Don't want to be delulu. Parang mas nakikita ko yung sarili ko with the Over October guy. Actually, it's the next day. Hi, it's the next day. So, habang nagdadalulo ako kagabi kay Lua, yung lead guitarist ng Over October, I forgot to mention na I have a picture with him. So, ito yan. Ang cute niya, ang cute namin. Pero it's not bad to dream about Rico Blanco. Ang cute ni Rico Blanco. As in, he was like sobrang softy niya. This is me being delusional. Pero, ayoko na. I'm gonna what? I don't know. I'm gonna put some clips ng concert dito. So, love y'all.